To attempt the College Mentor Scholarship Test worth Rs 5 crores, click on the link sent to you via email or SMS. You'll be redirected to a page where on the right corner, you need to enter your name as per your class 10th mark sheet, followed by selecting your gender. Next, enter your hall ticket number and your registered mobile number. Please note, you need to use the mobile number which you used at the time of registrations. Otherwise, you won't be able to attempt the test. If you face any issues logging in, you can contact our helpline number displayed on the left side of the screen based on your location. The test would be conducted from 10th of December to 25th of December. The test timings are from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. You can book your slot anytime and attempt anytime during this duration. Now select your scholarship category. Let that be merit category, government school category, students with disability category, or talent category. If you don't remember the category you chose during registrations, select the appropriate category which you fall under. Our counselors will contact you within 2 days for any correction. Please note, you must submit valid certificates for your selected category. Now, you can also click on the attached video to understand each category in detail. After that, enter your registered email address. Finally, select the source through which you heard about the College Mentor Scholarship Test and tick the declaration box. Then click on Start Assessment. To avoid any errors, make sure you use your registered phone number or email address. You'll then be redirected to a page displaying your details. Here, enter your current address, city, state, and PIN code. You can check the privacy notice and the declaration, and then click on Agree. Read the instructions carefully and click on Start Now. You'll be asked for webcam access. Click Allow. Adjust your webcam and upload a clear picture in a well-lit background. Then click on Upload. Next, you must enable full screen mode to continue. On the top right corner, you'll see the timer where the remaining time will be displayed, and on the left side of the screen, there would be a question palette where blue color represents attempted questions, gray represents unattempted questions, whereas white represents the questions which are not visited yet, and yellow represents the questions which are marked for review. At the bottom, click Next Question to proceed. If you are unsure about a question, you can mark it for review to check it later. Once you finish all the questions, click Submit and log out. If you run out of time, your test will be auto-submitted. After submission, you'll see a confirmation message stating that your College Mentor assessment has been submitted successfully.